Hey, Chris here. Welcome back to the channel. So this video we'll be taking a look at how Caan beats the bookies. Now, in order to do that, we're going to get on the laptop here, and I basically wanted to tell you about this video I've just watched of Caan's here. So this video he put on his channel from the 24th of March 2020. So now we're in April 2023. It's a 3-year-old video. Basically, it has 1.2 million views, and it's a video of him explaining how he beats the bookmakers. So it says, betting strategy that works, making income, betting on sports. Now, in the video, he goes on to talk more specifically focused on horse racing and how he finds value bets on horse racing that are going to give you an edge over the bookies over the long term. Now, the way he goes about that is he actually mentions looking on the betting exchange, so maybe Betfair or Smarkets, etc., a few minutes before the start of a horse race and checking what the odds are, because the odds on the exchange, as we know, are closer to the true value. Then what you can do is jump over to a site like oddschecker.com and find a bookmaker which has better odds, so higher odds than what's being offered at the exchange. He mentions at the end of this video that he talks all about this in his video pack course over on his website, caanberry.com.
But it's an in-depth topic, so check out the video courses at caanberry.com.
And that's £197. So I believe it was 150 before. Now it's nearly £200 there. And really what I wanted to talk about in this video about doing those strategies of looking on the exchange and trying to find where the value is at the bookmaker. Yes, that's all well and good, but there is a much, much better way. Now, I did wonder if Caan had listed any software that you could use to do this for you instead of finding all these bets manually for yourself and taking tons of time to do it. So I checked in the description and I saw this. It says Advantage Software. So I clicked the link and it just takes you to OddsMonkey. Now, I love OddsMonkey. OddsMonkey is an amazing site, but they are a match betting service, as we all know. They're not a site that's going to provide you with value bets on horse racing. So what I really wanted to show you over on the Profit Boss Discord here, this is a members results using the auto betting software that I've been talking about on the channel, and I'll leave a link to the video where I show you how to get set up with that software. But basically, this is a members result, and they're showing how much profit they've made using it. So this software will find these value bets for you when they're available. So you don't have to manually find these and be looking at the exchange odds, looking at the bookmaker prices. That would just take so much time to do. You will literally just set the software up, put your bookmaker details in, and then it goes about placing the bets for you. Do comment below with your results if you've been using this software for a few months, just to let others know what kind of profit you've made. But showing this members results here, so we have 5 months of results, November to March. And you can see here, this has been done on a main account, so profit and loss for main account. And we can see here, so £500 made in November, £59 in December, purely because of poor weather in December. So not a pause was actually done on this in December, but still a profit nonetheless. Obviously November, a better month. And November and December we're using £2.50 each way. And in January, February, March, they'd actually reduced their back stakes to £1 each way because of using multiple accounts. So a main account, a Pet 1 and Pet 2 account. Now over on the far right column, we can see profit loss total. So £1,842, nearly £2,000 of profit made, tax-free in 5 months there, using these restricted accounts with just £1, £2 each way stakes there. And remember, this software is doing absolutely everything for you. If you're still watching now at the end of the video, please do tap the like button below. I do appreciate the support, as you well know. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.